Hey Tracie's Place fam, welcome back. I am here with a haul, a huge Kroger haul. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and show you all the receipt. It is right here. I paid $182.44. My savings was $49.80, which I'm so thankful for because when $232 came up on the register screen, y'all should have seen my eyes. But when I put in my number, of course, my Kroger number, the savings immediately came off. I even got a $7 special customer award. Like if you paid over $70 for your groceries, you got $7 off. I had two paper coupons, and then the rest were mega events and regular Kroger savings. So let me show you. It was a lot on the mega savings, the mega event savings. So let me go ahead and put this receipt down. Starting over here, I got some Jiffy Baking Mix. That was not on sale. That was like $3 and something. And also, you guys, a lot of this is for my stock up pile also for the groceries, and some is just regular. But as I get to it, I'll let you all know. Over here we have the classic potato chips, wavy. And then we have two macaroni and cheeses. I got that for the stock up. Just something quick that you can make inside or outside. Just what, hot water, whatever. And you all know that possibly a food shortage is coming. We're not positive, but just stocking up just in case. So I'm trying to get easy things, canned goods, dry goods, and things like that. So hopefully you all are saving too, are stocking up and saving too. Up here I have the Thomas English muffins. I got two of those. They were about $1.79, I believe. And those were part of the mega events. I got two frosted flakes. Those were part of the mega event. I believe both of those ended up being $1.79 each. Also, I got some of the premium crackers. We haven't had any while. I usually get the Kroger brand, and I just wanted to see how these tasted here lately. So I got the Kroger, I'm sorry, the Nabisco premiums. They were part of the mega sale. And then, y'all, I got some bleach. They had bleach in stock. So make sure you all, get your cleaning supplies, get your bleaches. Don't overdo, but, just use common sense. And this is the sanitizing bleach. I got the Kroger brand. I didn't get Clorox, but this is just as good. This is the sanitizing bleach. So make sure if you get any, it's just not the deodorizing bleach. Remember, there is a difference. This is the disinfecting bleach that kills up to 99% of the germs. It sanitizes, cleans, and deodorizes. So make sure yours does that. I know a lot of people go to Dollar Tree and get just a general bleach, and it may do some cleaning, of course, but it's not disinfecting. Just double check it. I'll say that. But I think most of it at Dollar Tree is just deodorizing. Over here, I have some paper towel. It came in a 3-pack. I got that. Let me go back over here. These were not on sale. The macaroni products were not on sale, but I got 3 anyway. I got elbow macaroni, and then I have lasagna here, fettuccine here. I have a real pineapple. We use these in our smoothies, and we had gotten down. We had frozen some. They were on sale for like 99 cents, and when you catch them like that, y'all make sure you cut them up and freeze them while they're sweet, and you can make smoothies and a lot of other things out of it. I got this. This was not on sale, y'all. I just got it because, I love lavender and lime. I love this. This is my favorite dishwashing detergent. And it wasn't even on sale. Like, y'all know I love to get a bargain. And there are a few things that I will get regular price, and this is one of them. I only got one. I got some detergent. I got to take that over to my mom's. We're still cleaning and things like that over there, so I need to take some things myself. Okay, here I got 2 taco sauces, 2 milds, and I got some chicken flavored stuffing. That's good in a pinch. Like I said, we're stocking up on boxed goods, dry goods, and canned goods. So got some of this. This you can also use in other dishes, but I wanted to get this for stocking up. This actually tastes pretty good, y'all. Also, coming down the line, I got some frozen orange juice, the Kroger orange juice. Got some more of these. I think I got 3 of these. I got garlic salt. I got my Saison. That is my favorite all-purpose seasoning. I like it even better than Lowry's. And I got some Lipton green tea. I had a coupon for that, 40 cents off. Got some Jiffy corn muffin mix. Because of, me not eating eggs, this is just the one I found I like the most. I love Jiffy. Let's see. I will try to learn how to make it homemade without eggs, but one day, but not now. Got some sweet relish. I got some cranberry sauce, the jelly kind. My husband loves that for Thanksgiving. And the election, y'all, is coming around. I think it's November the 4th. So I don't know. Like I said, I believe something's coming around. Something big may happen around the time of the election. Nobody's sure. But if we can't find stuff, can't get to the grocery store, whatever could go on. I just wanted to get some things. We're going to have Thanksgiving at home. So I got some of that today. It was like $1.69 or something. And y'all know at Thanksgiving time, it's usually much cheaper, like 49 cents and 79 cents. But just don't know if it's going to be available or what's going to go on. Got some chicken with rice. Got chicken noodle soup. Got some diced green chili tomatoes. Got some mandarin oranges. Got some grape jam. Sliced peaches. I got two big things of sliced peaches. These are going to go in recipes. Okay. I think that's it up here. And I'm going to go back here to the pizza sauce. I got 2 of those. They were about $1.19 a piece. They were not on sale. I got some Campbell's chunky soups. Savory pot roast. I got, oh goodness, creamy chicken, what is that? With white and wild rice. And then I got some New England clam chowder. And also got some chicken corn chowder back down there in the back. Also, I got some white chicken chili. Never had that before, but I want to get that for my husband. And then I have some chili here, no beans. So we can use that for like coney dogs and stuff like that. Never got that before, but I wanted to try it because I make my own homemade chili, but I wanted to try that for something quick. And I got some teriyaki marinade for recipes. Here's my other sliced peaches. I got 2 things of green beans, and we already have some of these. We got some sweet corn. Also, I have some guacamole seasoning mix, and I'm going to probably use that in the recipe. Y'all know I usually make my own, but I just got it because it was like 39 cents, I believe. These were 39 cents, the taco seasonings. Also, I got 2 of these. These were on sale. I think they were $1.79, if I'm not mistaken. Somewhere in there. Anyway, I got 2 of these. My husband loves those. I got some green pepper, just 1 green bell pepper. I got some peanuts salted with sea salt. Got some Jimmy Dean. They were on sale for $2.99, so that was a very good price. I got 2 of these. Sometimes you just get tired of buying that already pre-made sausage, and it just costs more. It tastes all right, but this tastes even better, I think. So, but yeah, I got 2 of these Jimmy Deans, and we'll just be, cooking them the regular way like we used to back in the day. Got some apple juice, because these stir up. Make sure you all get juices and waters for your stock up pile. I got apple grape. It was on sale, I think $1.49. Yeah, $1.49, I believe. Got the 100% pure pressed, the Honeycrisp. Y'all, that is so good. $1.49. And then this was, I had a 40% off coupon. I clipped that. Y'all make sure y'all do y'all Kroger digital coupons. So I also had that. I think it was like 99 cents or $1. I don't know if I said, but these bleaches were $2.99 each. I got a fruit punch, the Kroger Big K, and it tastes like Tahitian treat. It's very good. Got this on the mega sale, the mega stack. Got it on the mega sale. It was 99¢. Forget how much the paper towels was. Got these little animal crackers for my son. Got 2% milks. Got some distilled water. And I got some buttered flavored syrup also. And I got some raw shrimp. And it's peeled and deveined, shell off. It was on sale for $11.49 or $11.99. It's usually $19. Got some steak fries. Got some, y'all. These were 49¢. 49¢. It was part of the mega deal. So I got 4 of those. I should have got more probably, but we don't just eat it up like that. So I thought 4 would be enough. I should have got some hickory. I should have got that. But anywho, yep, got 4 of those. 49¢ each. Got 2 Duncan Hines mixes for recipes. I got, oh, these were 3 for $6 on sale. Plus I had a digital coupon for 85¢ off. Got some spinach. Got some lettuce. Y'all, this lettuce is so pretty. Not the regular lettuce. It's like the bib lettuce. I think it was like $1.79. Ah, that's going to taste so good in my salad. I'm going to mix it with the regular iceberg. We have bananas. I got some baking soda. Got some ginger to put in tea and other recipes. Stir fries and things. We're going to have mushrooms. I think I said bananas. I got 1 orange. The orange just wasn't looking too good. I got 1 orange. I got the green grapes. I got some cilantro. Got the red grapes. They were on sale for $1.69 a pound. Got a red pepper. They were 2 for $3. These are just too expensive, y'all. I got to grow them better in my garden next year so that we can freeze them. Keep them in the freezer. Got 2 Honeycrisp apples. They were on sale, I think $1.29. So that was a good price for them. What else? I got 2 of these. Which were 2 for $1. The green onion. I also got some M&M's for hubby. And let's see, I got some jumbo semi-sweet chocolate chips. I had a coupon for that, digital coupon. I got rice just for the stock up pile. I got turkey bacon. My husband likes that. This was on sale for $7.99, which is a good price. It's usually about $10 or $10.99. This stuff is just too expensive. So what I'm going to do is split this up and put it into quart-size Ziploc bags. So if I just need a pound or whatever, I can do that quickly. And I got some tortilla, flour tortillas, and I got a good, easy, quick meals or snacks. Let's see, got some large eggs. They were 89¢, y'all. 89¢. And I think that's it. Oh, no, that's not it. I got a steak. I got some pork steaks. Got some, this is my receipt. I got some cheese, cheese slices. They were $2.39. They were not on, oh yes they were. I had a 40¢ off coupon, digital coupon. Got the bread. I think these were $1.39 or something. Got 4 of the tropical punches. I got 1 of these tall kitchen bags, and I have some of these already that I stocked up on. I just got 1 more for some reason. Got some iceberg lettuce and bagels. And some bagels. Alright, so that is my haul. Alright guys, so that is all. I hope you enjoyed this mega event haul. It was huge. It was huge. Let me know also, you guys, how long do you all usually spend in the grocery store? I spent 2.5 hours in there. I just meant to be in there 1 hour. It takes me so long. That's why it is one of my 2 hated chores. I know hate is a strong word, but I do not like the grocery shop. Love to eat, do not like the grocery shop. So yeah, how long does it take y'all to get through y'all grocery shopping trips when you have a big, weekly or bi-weekly trip like this? And y'all let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Be blessed. Bye-bye.